Want to learn a new skill fast? In today's world, AI is changing everything, especially how we learn. Forget boring textbooks, AI gives you instant explanations, personalized feedback, and is like having the ultimate study partner. If you're serious about leveling up, the next 30 days could be a game changer. This video reveals exactly how to use AI to learn any new skill in just 30 days. I'm sharing the exact structure, tools, and proven strategies that actually work. Hey everyone, it's great to have you back at Growth Whisper. We're all about figuring out the smartest, simplest ways to learn and grow, and today we're diving into something that could genuinely change your life. Most people never fully commit to learning something new because the timeline feels overwhelming. They say things like I'll learn Spanish someday, or one day I'll get into graphic design. And that someday becomes never. But 30 days is different. It's short enough to stay motivated, but long enough to make real, measurable progress. It creates urgency without burnout. You don't need years of effort to see a return, just a plan and the right tools. Here's the truth, you no longer need to rely on expensive courses, textbooks, or even mentors. AI can now act as your private tutor, project assistant, language buddy, feedback generator, time coach. Too many people try to do too much. They say, I want to learn design, coding, and copywriting all at once. Don't pick 3 different skills, pick one. If you try to learn 3 things at once, you'll get average results in all of them. But one clear goal? You go deep, you get results. Focus is everything. And once you pick your skill, define your 30 days goal. For example, want to learn Spanish? Make your goal, hold a 10-minute conversation in Spanish in 30 days. Want to learn Photoshop? Make your goal, design a professional YouTube thumbnail in 30 days. Want to learn coding? Make your goal, build a simple one-page personal website with HTML, CSS. See how clear and measurable that is. That's how AI can help you track and optimize your path. Make sure the goal is realistic, measurable, and something you can showcase or test at the end. Now here's a mindset shift that changed everything for me, and it'll change how you learn too. Most people think of AI as just a tool, like a fancy search engine. But the real breakthrough happens when you start thinking of AI as a team. Yeah, like an actual team of experts who work for you on demand. Let me explain. When I sit down to learn something new, I don't just use AI like I'm Googling stuff. I think, okay, I need a tutor. I need someone to explain this. I need a project coach. I need a feedback partner. I need an assistant to help me stay organized. Guess what? AI can be all of that. You just have to assign it the right role. So if I'm learning a new language, for example, ChatGPT becomes my private language tutor. I ask it to speak with me like I'm in a restaurant in Madrid or Paris. I practice phrases. I ask it to correct me. If I'm trying to learn coding, it becomes my instructor and my debugger. I'll literally paste in code and say, this isn't working. What's wrong with it? And it helps me fix it, step by step. If I'm studying a concept that's hard to visualize, I use AI image tools like Midjourney to turn complex ideas into visuals. So now it's like I've got a visual explainer on the team too. Need help staying organized? Notion AI becomes my course planner. I have it break down what I need to learn over 30 days, turn it into a checklist, and even help me take structured notes. Want feedback? Claude or ChatGPT can become your reviewer for writing, for designs, for scripts, even for public speaking drafts. You just feed it the work and say, how can I improve this? And it gives you real, helpful feedback instantly. So again, you're not just using a tool. You're building a virtual team that works 24/7, never gets tired, and adapts to your exact level. That shift in mindset makes all the difference. Because when you think of AI as a team, you stop wasting time, and you start learning with direction, clarity, and speed. Okay, let's talk about tools. Here's a basic stack you can build for free, or almost free. 1. ChatGPT, or Claude, your personal tutor. Use it to create a custom 30 days plan. Break down hard concepts. Quiz you every night. Give you assignments and review them. 2. YouTube and AI summary tools like Aitify or Glasp. Use YouTube to watch tutorials. Use AI to summarize key points. Learn 3 times faster. Get to the good stuff without wasting time. 3. Notion AI or the organizer. Use Notion to plan your days, take notes, track your progress. 4. Practice and feedback. Use GPT to give you feedback on your code, copy, or scripts. Use voice tools like Voicify or Speechify for pronunciation. 5. Use Midjourney to visualize ideas if you're a designer or visual learner. You can use all of these without spending a single dollar, unless you want the pro versions. Here's your exact for week's breakdown. Week 1. Foundation and setup. Learn the basic terms, tools, and structure. Use ChatGPT to create a beginner's curriculum. Ask it to explain all the key terms in simple language. Watch 1 to 2 tutorials per day, use AI to summarize. Use Notion to create daily learning checklists. Start practicing. Ask ChatGPT to quiz you every night, you'll be surprised how much you retain. Week 2. Practice and micro-challenges. Start applying what you learn. Do mini-challenges. Example, say 5 sentences in Spanish or build a simple web page. Get AI feedback. Upload code, text, images, and ask it for tips. Use voice tools to self-correct pronunciation or delivery. Log daily wins, even small ones, into your Notion system. This is where confidence starts growing. Week 3. Intermediate practice and simulation. Push yourself into real-world use. ChatGPT roleplays, interview me as if I'm applying for a graphic design job. Translate a YouTube video in your target language using subtitles. Write or build something, get AI to critique it. Start timing yourself. Week 4. Real output and review. Create a final project. Present something. Record a video, write a script, design a project. Use AI to improve it, give feedback, and simulate how others might respond. Do a self-review, what worked? What didn't? And finally, showcase your result online. Share it, doesn't matter if it's perfect. What matters is you did it. Here are mistakes to avoid. Trying to learn too many things at once. Stick to one skill. Go deep, not wide. Overconsuming content. Don't get stuck watching tutorials all day. Learn, then do. Ignoring feedback. Use ChatGPT or others to critique your work. Growth comes from correction. Expecting perfection. You'll suck at first. That's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. We're in a time where anyone, anywhere, can learn almost anything, without needing a teacher, school, or certificate. AI has removed the old gatekeepers. So the real question is, what are you waiting for? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Not someday, not maybe, but now. Because you've got the tools, the roadmap, and more importantly, the mindset. If this inspired you, drop a comment below and let me know what skill you're going to learn using AI. I want to see what you build. And if you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to stop procrastinating and start growing. This is Growth Whisper, and I'll see you in the next one.